Welcome back to our channel again. Now we are unboxing our camping stove made by the Soomloom outdoors company. We bought it from the Temu. I also would like to mention that it's almost weighs less than a kilogram, and it comes with this small comfortable carrying bag. Inside we have two gloves. I mentioned that this is a fireproof gloves. We have 4 legs and small pipe and stove itself. Now we are going to set this stove, and also I would like to mention that because of this is the hot tent, we have small pieces here for the pipes. And also I would like to mention that pipes that we get it with the stove, it's low quality pipes. We have made these custom made pipes for our stove.
Okay, let's start to build this stove. This length. Like this. Next. Okay, this is our stove. The last piece is going directly here. It is for pipe. Like this. You can adjust the height from legs if it is okay for you, and then you just tighten it, this screw. You have to tighten this screw all the way, because if you don't, the smoke will come out these areas. All right, this two is good. Then this one's, and like we said, this pipe come with this stove is very bad quality, so we have to build this custom made. Like this. Okay, now this is like, then we are taking this one like this, then this. You can close the lid from here. If you want to put fire off, you can close it. Fire is going to be off. So first, let's put some dry wood in it.